So hey my friend, welcome back to the channel. My name is Peetam. So why you're missing your ex? So should you even consider going back to her? So इस वीडियो में हम सब जो तुम्हारे क्वेश्चन है will answer those things. Okay? So hang in there and भाई आज इमोशन से बात करेंगे, यहाँ से दिल से बात करेंगे. Okay? So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So first thing, should you even consider going back to your ex? So the short answer is yes and no. I know this is very diplomatic answer. So देखो इस चीज़ को let's समझते हैं. So you been through a breakup or something and you just cannot move on. And first thing dude, yes you cannot. It's very hard for a guy to move on from a girl. Because भाई first of all we shield our emotions and हम ऐसे ही किसी के साथ ऐसे open up नहीं होते. But let's say you are with someone and you're sharing everything with that person. भाई attachment हो जाती है, बहुत कुछ हो जाता है. So the version you were and the version she was, they both were compatible. Once a breakup happens, she is no more that person. This is the harsh reality. ये मेरे को बहुत टाइम लगा था समझने में. I'm like ऐसे कैसे एक आध महीने में क्या ही हो जाएगा, ऐसा कौन सा बदल जाएगी वो. See dude, if a breakup happens, it's not like कि वो एक महीने में ही हुआ. No, the process has already begun 3 months ago. Again dude, I'm telling all these things from experience. Okay, so first off, ठंडे दिमाग से सोचो that stuff she has already moved on. ट्रेन छूट चुकी है. Now, is it a good idea to try to go and patch up and all those things? Not really. But again, वो regret रहता ना, काश मैं try कर लेता, कुछ चीज़ें हो जाती. So that's why, first of all, we men, we have to go. And like I said, the answer was in the beginning, yes and no. So technically, you shouldn't go back to your ex because you can't go back to your ex. वो it's ex. ठीक है, वो हो गया. तो यहाँ पे again, like I said, I said the answer was yes too. So why do you even go back to her? First thing, जो तुम्हारा एक version है, the guy who you were with her. And even after the breakup, you won't be the same guy. 3 month दो खुद को, time लो, 3 month दो, and don't try to escape from that pain. Be in that pain. Be with yourself. And after that thing, after the first initial 3 months का जो high रहता है, कबीर सिंह जहाँ तुम बन जाते हो, उसके बाद you need to just go back to her, just be like, hit her up if she has not blocked you, or hit her text or through a friend or some shit like that, and be like, भाई मेरे को just बोलना है, you just सुन ले बस. And what you do is you just go and you put all your emotions out. Again, I am not saying go cry in a mature way. Put your emotions out and be like, I don't know what happened, and if you can put some light on it, please do give. And again, I'm not here to convince you to get back with me or some stuff like that. She'll completely freak out. Again, don't use this word. Okay, let's patch up and stuff. Things are not going to work that way. You just go to her in a mature way and be like, take dude, ये हुआ. You just basically pour everything out. Don't cry. Pour everything out. What we are doing here is जो हमारा वो part था. Even after 3 months, even you have progressed. You are no longer that same guy. So ये बंदा तो अटक गया ना. So इस बंदे को हम मुक्ति देते हैं. So we go and उसके पास वो चाबी रहती है. We just pour out our emotions and इस guy को हम जाने देते हैं. So again, whatever I'm speaking is very deep in a mature manly way. So let that guy go. Let him talk. The moment he talks, speaks, you'll feel as if this had happened with me. So after a year and a half, I spoke to my ex. मैं ego में था, मैं क्यों बात करूँगा, blah blah blah. Dude, the moment I called her, I just realized, dude, shit, I was still that guy, and she has already like moved on a year and a half. So what I had to do was I needed to let this guy go by speaking. So वो conversation इतनी अच्छी भी नहीं थी, ठीक है, she was very rude or some stuff, but ठीक है, the moment the call ended, dude, all the emotions just started to come to me. And I felt as if, like, imagine you're running and तुम्हारे पीछे एक पैराशूट बांधा हुआ है. How are you running? The moment I spoke, I just felt कि किसी ने कैची लेके वो पूरा ऐसे कट कर दिया. And I was like, free, all that relief. Yes, I did cry after the call. I'm not gonna lie, but that cry was for my own personal victory. मेरे को सब याद आया कि what I have been through, what I've been through those 1.5 years by not contacting her. So I was like, I'm proud of myself. ये वाला scene, ठीक है? So if you are planning to go back to your ex, first of all, you can't. Second of all, you need to go back to her at some point in time. आफ्टर एवरीथिंग इज ड्राइड डाउन एंड जो तुम्हारा पार्ट है उसको लेट इट गो, मुक्ति दे दो. कैसे? बाय स्पीकिंग इट आउट. ठीक है? So yeah, hope you found this video helpful and hope you could connect with me on this one. So yeah, and since if you do enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and yeah, also please do check out the link in the description for our Telegram community if you do want to reach out to me. And yeah, thanks for watching. My name is Preetham and I will see you in the next one.